Hello Montreal, here's your Q2 real estate market update for 2023. My name is LJ Aguinaga, real estate broker at LJ Realties. If you're enjoying these videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. In the Montreal metropolitan area, we saw an increase in pricing across the board when comparing Q2 to Q1 2023. Homes saw an increase of 8.4% with an average price of $649,000. Condos were up 3.8% at an average price of $451,000. And finally, multiplexes were up 4.8% at an average price of $755,000. If we zoom out a little bit further, prices are still down compared to their peak, which was in Q2 2022. Homes are down 4%, condos are down 3%, and multiplexes are down 6%. This means it's still an interesting time to get into the market. On the island of Montreal, we saw prices increase at a slightly lower pace when comparing Q2 to the previous quarter. Homes increased by 7.6% with an average price of $909,000. Condos were up 2.6% at an average price of $511,000, and multiplexes are up 3% with an average price of $819,000. Seeing as prices increased a little bit less on the island of Montreal, they remain even lower when compared to their peak in Q2 2022. Homes are down 6%, condos are down 4%, and multiplexes are down 8%. In terms of days on market, we saw an increase in the time it took to sell a property on the island of Montreal in Q2 2023 compared to the same period in 2022. Homes took an average of 59 days to sell, an increase of 29 days, while condos took 58 days to sell, an increase of 21 days, and multiplexes took an average of 72 days to sell, an increase of 28 days. This being said, these numbers are down in all three categories compared to Q1 2023. So, what does this mean for the Montreal real estate market? Prices are up compared to Q1, and days on market is down. This is mostly due to interest rates having been in the mid to high 4% range for the bulk of this quarter. The reduced interest rates gave buyers more buying power and allowed prices to start ticking back up. It was a classic spring market in full effect. Q3 is going to be an interesting one. With recent interest rate increases for both fixed and variable rates, I'm excited to see how buyers will react. I suspect the market will be a bit quieter than normal. We're currently in our traditional summer vacation, when most buyers wait until after construction holiday to pick their searches back up. If you're interested in staying up to date on the latest interest rates, be sure to reach out to me to receive our weekly updates. We hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more content like this. Thank you for tuning in, Montreal. We'll see you next time.